Hello, guys. Hope you're doing fine. Now, I am going to be teaching you how to find perimeter in a shape or figure. But before I do that, I want us to remember what perimeter is from the video that we watched before. Perimeter is the distance around the figure and is measured in units of length. Okay, now I'm going to help you understand how to find perimeter in a shape by using a dot grid. A dot grid is a paper like this that has a lot of dots all over. Okay, so what I am going to do is what I just did is I drew a 5 units long line segment and a 3 units long line segment. Okay. All right. My question is, how many dots do you think I connected to make a 5 unit line segment? All right. So let me show you here. If you count with me, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 dots connected. This is the same as when you were doing line sessions in your number lines to find unit fractions. Same thing, but this time you're using units to find the perimeter of a shape. Okay. Now, if I were to draw a line that is 5 units long down here and another line that is 3 units long right here, what shape do you think I am going to form? I'm going to show you right here, which is already done. As you can see, I have formed a rectangle, okay? Now, if I want to find the perimeter of this rectangle, and I already know that this line segment is 5 units long and this line segment is 3 units long, I know also that the line here on the bottom here is also 5 units as this one because it's the same length as you can see. And that this line here, right here, is a 3 unit line segment because it is the same length as this one, as you can see. Okay, so now it's very easy to find the perimeter because the only thing that you need to do now is to add all of the units of the whole shape. And the total of all the units, it's going to be the perimeter. Okay, so if I know that there's 5 units here, I know that there's 5 units here, and if I add these two ones, or these two sides, I am going to have 10 units, okay? Now, if I know that this is a 3 units, and I know that this is 3 units, and I add them together, the total is going to be 6 units, and then all I need to do is add 10 and 6 together, which equals 16. And as you can see, it's already here. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 16 units. There's other ways to find perimeter by adding the units of other shape. For example, I can add 5 plus 5 and 3 plus 3 all together, and I will have a total of 16. Now, another way is I can add 5 and 3, and then I can multiply this by 2 because I know that there's 2 lines that are 5 units and 2 lines that are 3 units. So if I add 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 equals 8, times 2 equals 16. So it's going to be the same total. Okay, now another way is to multiply 5 times 2 because I know there's 2 lines that are 5 units. And then I'll multiply 3 times 2 because I know there's 2 lines that are 3 units. And if I multiply 5 by 2, it equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10, and 3 times 2 equals 6. And then 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay, so it doesn't matter the way you choose how you want to add the sides or the units. The only thing that you need to keep in mind as you watched in the video before is that you are not to miss any of the sides, and you are not to add any sides that are not here. Okay, It's basically just the four sides that you see here. You can't miss sides or add sides. Okay? That way you're always going to have the same answer. All right? Now, with no further ado, your next assignment is going to be to go to Mathletics so that you can practice how to find perimeter in different shapes. Okay? Good luck and see you next time. Bye bye.